So this is the dryer vent kit that I use cleaning dryer vents professionally. I do about 8 to 10 houses a day. There's a lot of different kits, but this is the one I recommend, and I'll leave a link down below. And in this video, I'll show you how to set it up to make sure that you don't lose your brushes. So the kit is going to come with 4 of these rods, and each of these rods are going to be 4 feet each. You have other kits that come with 3-foot or 2-foot rods, but then you're going to have to be putting so many in, and it's going to take longer, so that's why I recommend this kit. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is put on your brush. So the brush threads on to the end of the rod, like this. Make sure you put it on nice and tight, but then you're not done. If you just leave it threaded like this, it could get stuck, get undone, and then this brush will get stuck in your dryer vent, and then it'll cause you much more problems. You have to go in the attic or something to fix it. Not fun. It comes with a bag, and inside the bag, there is a Allen key and a little tiny screw. So we're going to take this little tiny screw. I don't know if you could see it, but it's a little tiny screw. And then there's a spot for it over here. So now that'll keep it from coming undone. The next thing it comes with is this brush. This brush is for cleaning the lint tray. The lint tray gets really dirty. Even if you clean the dryer vent very well, you should clean the lint tray because that's where a fire could start. So this one simply threads on. And just be careful, don't bend it back and forth a lot because I've had these break before. So this just threads on, and then you could clean the inside of the dryer. The next piece it comes with is what's called an auger. So this is like a metal spike type thing. This is meant to put a hole in wet clogs. So if your dryer is really clogged and wet, then this goes in and you can make a hole and get the air between it and either blow it out or draw it in with your vacuum. So this goes on top. This goes on the thread, and then there's a little nut here, and then the nut gets threaded on. Now I've lost a lot of these, so what I would recommend doing, locks or pliers or something, and just get a good grip on it and just tighten it a little bit more. Just like that, just so it doesn't unthread, and then so you don't lose it. It won't cause any damage if you lose it in the vent, but you'll have to get a new one. Now the next thing that it comes with is one of these. This is so you can connect the vacuum to the vent and have good suction. So you take the brush goes inside the vent. Just like that. And then you put your vacuum hose here. But most people aren't going to have the large shop vac, especially if you're doing this like a do-it-yourself. So it comes with a reducer. So you could put a smaller vacuum on it. But if you have an even smaller vacuum, don't worry, because you could just take paper towel and some tape, and then kind of jam it in there like this, so it gets a nice seal. And then put your vacuum hose in if you're using like a household vacuum, and that's the way you would clean it. And then once your brushes are in, you simply thread it on like this. Thread it on, put it in, and keep going up. And if you want to see me actually clean my dryer vent with this kit and show you exactly how to do it, check out this video over here.